The Augusta Canal will soon be getting back to normal. The waterway was drained, so repairs could be made on a small leak in the bank upstream from the pumping station. That work is finishing up, so the next step will be refilling the canal, probably on Wednesday. That will not be as slow as draining it was.
It's not as critical. The problem with draining is the soil is so saturated and heavy, it will slough off. You don't have that same problem when you're refilling, so the filling should go a lot quicker.
Wiedmeyer says the cost of the repair is in the $100,000 range, and that does not include the cost of running the diesel pumps to draw water out of the river when the canal was lowered. The diesels burned 100 gallons of fuel an hour while operating.